Hello friends, this is Dhirendra. Somewhere I got to read, a pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity and an optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. The same applies to the pandemic COVID-19, and we came to learn from different sources how people across the globe utilize this tough time in honing their skills, in unleashing their creativity and giving a try to something they thought beyond their capability. This pandemic gave a setback to education and learning as well. But I am delighted to see that so many of my colleagues, my acquaintances, far and near relatives, and retired teachers made best use of this macabre time and came up with their efforts by utilizing the digital platforms like YouTube channels with an effort to contribute to process of learning even in such grim situation. My sincere regards to all the teaching fraternity for such a selfless service. This is all that makes us stand apart from other professions. We, the teachers, carry on with the task of imparting knowledge under all circumstances, which directly and indirectly provides an impetus to the progress, prosperity and development of the nation. I too am an English teacher, and as it happened with each and every teacher and the school that they were supposed to conduct online classes during the months of April and May, I too provided some notes and online lectures to my students using the digital platform. But recently I realized that such a move on my part is benefiting only the students of my school. If I provide the same content using the bigger canvas like YouTube, the same content may perhaps benefit larger number of eager learners across the country. So here I am with my YouTube channel English Junction. You might wonder what made me pick this title. We all know that the term junction means an act of joining or a place or point of meeting. So English Junction for me means a meeting point for English learners. I'll be presenting videos on academic topics as well as various lessons in grammar, speaking, reading and motivation as well. Since I am a fledgling in this humongous world of YouTube, if ever there are some shortfalls on my part, I'll ever be eager to listen from the viewers and will certainly try to come up to your expectations. Before I take leave, I would like to request the ardent learners of English to please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you remain updated to what I upload in future. Please drop a comment as a feedback. This is going to boost me to work hard with you. See you soon with my next video. Keep learning, keep growing.